welcome back to Kelsey's Corner. So y'all, like, this chick, I know y'all mad. It's been a long 3-4 weeks since I uploaded a video, and I'm so sorry. I've had people like texting me like, where's the video at? And I'm not even gonna go into a long spiel of excuses. I mean, grad school did kind of kick my butt the last couple weeks, but hey, such is life. My voice may sound a little stopped up. I got some allergies going on. Don't y'all worry, I don't have that coronavirus, y'all. Everything is good over here. But yeah, so I'm excited to get into this video because this video is really important for the lock journey. I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my scalp, keep my scalp moisturized, and also how I moisturize my lock. Those two things are really important. If you have not seen my last video, stop right now, pause this video, go back and watch the last video, because the last video was my first retwist appointment, and at that point I was 1 month locked. And now I am 2 months locked, y'all. Already 2 months, and it has been like a wonderful journey for me. Like, I love it. I get so many compliments on my hair. Yeah, and I love everything about it. I love the patience that it's teaching me. It's teaching me to be versatile with my hair. So yeah. Also, wanted to let y'all know that coming up in the future, I am doing a dope collab. It's coming really soon. A dope collab with another YouTuber. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, go ahead right now and follow me at @IAM_FunSize. That's at @IAM_FunSize. That's my Instagram. I'm gonna be doing a questions poll on there, so be looking out for that collab that will be coming to my page soon. Now we're gonna head into my routine as far as keeping my scalp moisturized and my locks moisturized. So I'm gonna take off my cute little, don't look cute today, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my little headband. But what I have definitely learned through this process is the shrinkage is real, which I already knew that because my natural curly hair, like, I knew that it shrunk up a lot. But the more my hair buds up, which is, you know, what it's supposed to do, I have noticed that it kind of is giving the effect of kind of shrinking a little bit, you know, which is fine because my hair grows super fast. Since my first retwist, this is my growth. So yeah, we doing good over here. Okay, so I moisturize my scalp and moisturize my locks every like 2 to 3 days, just kind of depending on how they're looking, depending on like my gym schedule for the week. Also, depending on if I have an event to go to, whatever have you. The gym is really important in that decision also, because sometimes I get in the sauna and that heat, that dry heat, it sucks all the moisture out of your hair. And so I noticed that when I leave the sauna, my hair is left feeling like kind of dry and brittle. And so I want to make sure I replenish that moisture back into my hair. So I use this, which don't pay attention to the container because that's not the product that I use. But I use oil, and I got it, you know, mainly for the type of bottle that it's in, because it has like the pointy. So yeah, it has that pointy tip. So in this I have black castor oil, which I only have about that much in there, because black castor oil's consistency is very thick, and although it's like the food for your scalp, you don't want too much of it because you don't want that thickness to leak down into your lock and just make it very, you know, a lot of buildup. So about that much. And then I use, and this is the black castor oil that I use, Jamaican black castor oil. So yeah, and it's, you know, good for your hair, skin, eyelashes, brows, beards, nails, you know, basically anything that you are wanting to grow, filled with lots of nutrients. And then I use tea tree oil. This time I got this tea tree oil. This is actually my first time getting this particular brand. I like it so far. It's a good moisturizer for your scalp. So, but I mean, I believe you can probably use pretty much any tea tree oil. And I also use a few drops of Peppermint Essential Oil. Can y'all see that? So yeah, that Peppermint Essential Oil, a few drops of that, like that, oh my gosh, leaves my scalp feeling amazing. So the reason why I have it mixed together in this bottle is because I'm able to split my hair into sections, do like that, and then rub it in. And that's why I like this bottle, because it's making sure that it gets it right into my scalp, which is what I want. I don't want this oil throughout my hair and like on the actual locks, so it doesn't leave my hair, you know, stiff, doesn't create buildup. And I'm just rubbing that into my scalp as I'm putting it on there. These little stubborn pieces, like that one. I know I showed you guys in the last video a couple of my edge ones came down, and so she did these. So these are a little shorter. These are my baby ones. These are the ones that I'm gonna be being sure that I take care of. Because of course I want those to grow healthy and long like the rest of my locks. Okay, so once that's all in my scalp, and you know, a little goes a long way. Y'all do not want to be putting too much oil on your scalp, especially at this stage, for me, because I'm so fresh. I made it 2 months without washing my hair. My scalp is actually feeling pretty well. It's not super itchy, which is good, and I think a lot of that has to go with my scalp routine. I think that I'm going to be able to make the 4 months without washing my hair. I really do believe that I'm going to be able to inform into the lock how it's supposed to. Just of course you don't want to drench it in water. That's why you don't want to wash your hair essentially, but spraying water on your hair is good for it. So of course I got a spray bottle. I actually just used a leave-in conditioner that I already had before. I didn't, you know, go out and buy anything fancy, which I have the Carol's Darter Almond Milk leave-in conditioner, and I actually love this. I actually love it more for my locks than I think I did for my naturally curly hair. So I think I'm gonna stick with this product for now as far as the leave-in conditioner that I use, because I mean, I'm always gonna, you know, treat my hair, even when my locks are like fully mature, I'm still going to make sure that I keep them moisturized, because I mean, it's my hair and I want to take care of it. I don't want it to damage and break off. So of course I only use like 1 part leave-in conditioner, and then the rest I just fill it up with water. So I just take it in sections and spray it. And this is the part that helps keep my hair moisturized too, like from, you know, when I get out the sauna, because like I said, that sauna like dries your hair up. Make sure you lift it up. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and if you got some edge control, I use the Edge Booster Stronghold Pomade. Let me be honest, y'all. My hair is super thick and curly. I don't know if there is a edge control that is good for my hair. This is okay. You know, you tie it down and, you know, it'll do the trick for a couple of hours. But we getting into the summertime, child, and, well, we barely into spring, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, the summer is on its way, honey. I believe that, and I'm ready for it. But if y'all know of a better edge control for us folks with this thick, stubborn, curly hair, let me know. Okay, so that is me and my style. Once it, you know, dries all up, it honestly is about time. It's past due time for another retwist, but I'm really just enjoying just letting my hair be. I am going to get me another retwist probably within the next week or week and a half before I go to dinner. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm so sorry that it took so long to put out another video, but I got y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like and comment. Share my YouTube channel. And again, subscribe if you have not already. Again, follow me on Instagram. Be looking out for that questions poll because I got some crazy content coming up with a dope collaboration with another YouTuber. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you next time.